Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we format a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. So to format a picture guys, you have to import the picture first. So this is the picture that we have. Now this picture is not without background. So this is a picture. Now to format that, whenever you select the picture, a new tab will be created by the name of format. So this is, we say, a format a picture. So this is a picture and this is format tab. Just click on the format tab and you'll have a bunch of options which you can apply in this picture. For example, you can remove the background. So how you can remove the background? First you have to select the picture, click on remove background. Now here is basically two options, mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove. Now the red portion that you can see, kind of pink, these are basically the areas which I want to remove, and this is the area that is marked to keep. So if I select here, so these are the area basically which is marked to keep. Okay. Now if you want to delete all the marked areas, you can here click here, delete, mark, and select the marked. Okay. Click here to keep the changes. Now if I move that, then you can see this is the background is not removed. There's no white background. Okay. Now what else? You have here corrections. So in the correction, you can increase the softness and the sharpness. You can increase and decrease the brightness and the contrast. At the same time, you can edit some color filters. You can add some color filters over here. And here are some cool artistic effects like this. Okay. Now if you want to compress your picture, you can use this one. You can replace the picture. Let's suppose you don't want to use this picture now and you want to replace the picture with some another picture. So you can select the picture, click on change picture, and select the file from where you can replace the picture. Now again you have this reset picture. Now what this helps, it basically helps when let's suppose you have applied so many effects and this picture becomes so bad that you don't want to use in this PowerPoint presentation. So that's why we can reset the picture, so you can start from uh, like from the beginning you can start it. Okay. Now the what is the next option? So this is basically the first group is completed. This is adjust group. Now let's come to this picture style group. And this picture style group, basically it gives a shape to your picture. Okay, it basically acts like a changing the shape of your picture. So this picture is currently in this rectangular form, rectangular 2D form. Now using this picture styles, you can convert it into a 3D kind of shapes. Great. So if you click here, then you can see there's lots of picture styles. So this is one of them. Great. So this seems to be like a logo. So if I select that, then you can change the border from here like this. You can change the effect also. So for now, you can see it's for now the bevel is applied, which is my personally favorite. So this is already applied in this effect, and you can add actually multiple effects also like this. Reflection, if I add, let's see, yeah, you can add. Okay. Now if I move this picture, then you can see this Twitter logo goes to the background of this Facebook and Quora logo, and it comes in the front of this Instagram logo. So this is actually going back and coming in front. It depends upon the arrangement group. So if I want to make it in front, then I can select the logo, the picture, and then click here, bring forward. So it comes forward. Now if I again want to keep it forward to this logo, then I again click on bring forward. So it comes on the top of everyone. Great. Now this is basically alignment. Alignment is left, center, right, whatever. And this way here you can crop the picture. Now you have a very interesting option here. You can crop the shape by crop the image by the shape. So let's suppose you want to crop this picture by this. So this way. So it gives basically a very nice texture, a very nice shape, a very cool effects in this picture like this. Also, you can change your height and width of the picture manually from here. So this way guys, you can edit a picture, you can format a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and please subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.